Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin 1 hour chart. What happened? You had this bull flag potentially forming, but previously, like we talked about, the bulls ran up to the same resistance level where all the sellers are stacked at. And you had a previous rejection, and again, rejection. This one hard, all the way down to 26,134. The main issue here is you've got overhead resistance now, right here. Draw it on the 1 hour chart for you. So you have, you notice how you got this bounce here, this bounce here, this bounce here. So there's a bunch of sellers stacked right here, right? You got support right here. So this is the double bottom that gave you this upside. So this is a key level and the Bitcoin bulls are holding the level, but all the sellers are just overhead. This is the resistance level right here. So you have to pull your support level, got that support, and then you have to pull your resistance level down because you're dealing with this resistance. So you have a bunch of support here. If you lose this level, 25,900, you really don't want to see 25,200. But again, if the bulls can't regain some of these levels, you just put in a lower low. Like, that is not amazing. You had a higher high and then you put in a lower low. I mean, bit of a bull trap here. Now a lower low. What does this mean? This means buyers were not willing to pay the prices they were previously. Right? So this gives an idea of weakness. So a lower low in the 1 hour chart. So this previous support level, you really become resistance right now. So have to definitely make a change there. Pull this resistance down. You know, you can just hold down the control key, pull down resistance. So 2 hour chart looks like you just lost this major green circle where the price action previously pumped, and your resistance is overhead now. So what does that mean? This was the floor. This was the floor that led to this big move up to 31,000. Well, now it's the ceiling. So now the bulls are below the ceiling, just like they are and were on the daily chart. And I've been talking about this 14 days straight. I had bearish retest question mark because that's your bias. Like, you had the bulls hit crazy numbers, 31,000 from 15,000, 2x multiple. And then you had low, high, lower low, not a good sign, lower high, and now a lower low. So the question is, where is this daily candle going to close? And again, a loss of this level where we talked about wick. This close below here would be very bad news for Bitcoin. I want you to understand the power of this one idea. This is a bearish retest. I call it the kiss of death. This is when you go short. Being able to trade on MEXC and short the bearish retest has made us a tremendous amount of money. Previously, you had Bitcoin support, multiple support levels, multiple holds of support. Then you got a bearish retest here and another one here with this wick, and then move to the downside. Concerning idea here is, will you put in a lower low? Is there an idea where you could still see some type of falling wedge? I mean, technically, it's still holding this trend line. And we just, every minute of every day, we're watching Bitcoin, but this is not going to be a good daily close and the market will potentially react to it. So again, 25,200 has to hold and could come quick if you start to lose 26,000, which is a psychological support. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. And again, when you start trading the market both ways, shorting the market, MEXC has made it so easy to trade long or short with a little bit of leverage and make huge gains. We're making money trading both ways. If you do not know how to trade both ways, let me help you. This person in 15 days turned $1,400 into $22,400. This person, shout out to Jason, He's up almost 2x so far on $25,000 investment. So he's at least $50,000. He made $25,000. Insane. This person's portfolio up to $89,000. Since he joined the group, up $30,000 in the last 24 hours. Obviously short, up $6,400 in the last 24 hours. Everybody else is losing money. He's gaining money. This person subscribed 2 days ago. And again, you have a big trading bag and you know how to short. He's up 5 figures. Bang. Thank you. Shout out to Jay for that. This person started at 1,400 and turned it into 22,000. You've got to make money when this market is not going your direction. And so banger after banger, tons of setups, tons of wins. When you're ready to change your life, let me help you. We're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is something I posted on Twitter. I said, hey, we talked about this multiple times. From the 18th, I said, same plan in the group. I'm like, here's your plan. You've got to break the yellow line. If not, you're going to go down, right? This was the first bearish retest. Again, it took some time to play out. 6 days. 6 days, downside. Crypto Revolution web page for MEXC is a link in the description. They're giving away $9,100 for the next 2 days, 2.5 days. I've never seen such bonuses given. You must use the link in the description. The total two, and we talked about the idea, it's an if-then statement. Plan A was if this thing breaks higher, then you're going to go long. Plan B is if it doesn't, then you're short. Well, it already broke to the downside, so you're already in your shorts. In the group, we had tons of shorts posted. The top gainer, Neo, out of all the coins, Neo's not even $1 billion anymore. This thing, I 3x Neo early on in 2018 in a altcoin market boom during a bear market, but you had altcoins take off when Bitcoin bounced. I 3x'd Neo. Now the Chinese narrative potentially playing out where the Chinese coins have seen some upside because Hong Kong is going to open up retail trading very soon. June 2023 is the date that they announced. If you like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.